It must have been very nerve-wracking waiting for the judges. Yeah. I see it all over both of your faces. You both have come a long, long way. But only one of you can be America's Next Top Model. America's Next Top Model is McKee.
What?